Practice any art, music.
Good day, matey. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And to those who are new, this is SONY ZV and yes, we are here in Melbourne, Australia. And I'm still grateful that I'm still here, surviving and thriving. I'm currently working on a painting for my coworker, for his wife, for the upcoming Valentine's Day, and I'm ecstatic for this one because it's another portrait painting and I'm trying to blend all the colors smoothly compared to my old paintings, but hopefully we'll get through this painting. I'm only painting on the side just to create art for fun, and it's been a long time since I didn't do painting and I miss it. I wanted to practice painting and so keen to try oil painting, but unfortunately oil paints are expensive. It is so hard to make a realistic portrait painting with acrylics, but I'm trying. I'm just a self-taught hobbyist. My apologies if my art is not for your taste. I am still learning, experimenting, and discovering techniques that will make my job faster and easier. Art takes ages to finish. It's not like magic, especially if it's custom paintings. It takes hours and sleepless nights. But it will be worth it after you finish everything. I reckon this is the second or third day of painting. Yep, this is the second day. And I'm just starting with the clothes and layering it up. I'm just starting with a base color and then starting with the background, covering all together, putting the greens and the blues for the grass and the ocean. The hand is super challenging and I don't even know how I'm gonna do it, but I just try what I can do and voila. I think it looks like a hand. So it's third day and I'm gonna stop painting before I go to work. I just refill my water and then stop painting again.
God's kingdom is also a means of protection for you. When Noah built the ark, he was doing it to honor God and be obedient, but it was protecting his family from what was about to come because they were already 2 steps ahead because they were in the secret place with the Lord. So as you build this ark, as you start this business, as you start this ministry, as you start managing your finances with wisdom, as you start cultivating this marriage, when the flood comes, when what God is using to wipe out the wickedness in this world in 2025 is going to do, whether that be even though that may be a spiritual flood, the Lord is about to take what your obedience is doing and use it as a means of protection for you in this season. While other people might be complaining about fairness and things that have been lost in the world, and you see all these tragedies in the world, you're going to be fine because you built your ark. You built your ark with a firm foundation of Jesus Christ. And the Lord is saying, listen, I need you to make sure that everything that you're doing with what I sent you is to glorify and honor me first. Look for me in everything that I send you in this season. I feel that very strong in my spirit, so that you will be protected. And the Lord is saying, I can trust you. Congratulations. Congratulations with the resources that I'm about to send you, because I believe this is going to come on the For You page of those that it's supposed to come to. The Lord says, congratulations. I can trust you with the resources that I'm about to release. Think it not strange when you get unexpected phone calls. Think it not strange when you see people start calling you back that were ignoring you before. The Lord is about to reconcile some things, some relationships. The Lord is about to release those resources to you, those finances to you, to start things that you never thought you would start. And I see some people that their living situations are a little rocky right now. It's almost like, I don't know, God, how I'm going to make it to the next paycheck to paycheck, trying to figure out how to pay this house off, pay these bills. The Lord says, what I'm about to release to you, it's about to be more than enough. But it's not just for that house. It's for you to start that business in faith. And it may look like it's a lot for one thing, but it may not look like it's a lot for other things that you just had in the back of your mind. The Lord says, if He gave you the vision, pray and seek Him about it, and He's about to lead you in faith to start doing things that He's going to bring more resources for as you obey. Don't expect it to all come at once, but expect that as you move by faith, the more you move by faith, the more resources you're going to see released. The more you're going to see things change. The more you trust Him for what you're believing for, the more you're going to see things begin to move. But you got to start moving by faith. Get ready. Slowly coming on this part now. I've finalized the hair, just a little bit of highlights, and I'll be fine. I just need to finalize the ear, and then yeah, and then the clothes, which is very detailed. I need to like copy this one. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but the clothes is really detailed, like it's like a flower. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that one, but I'm positive that hopefully we're gonna pull this one off. And it's 1:38 in the morning and I need some sleep. My back is painful already, and then my head is giving up. So yeah, see you on the 4th day, because today's the 3rd day. Yes, I did before going to work and then now after work. So yeah, and then the clothes, the line, I need to finalize the line for the clothes. And the waves is kind of like abstract. I don't know if it doesn't look like tsunami though, but I think it's too big. I don't know, it seems real big. Or maybe I need to make it smaller. I'm
not particularly sure. I'm still thinking about it tomorrow because it's too big. It looks like it looks like a tsunami actually. Because on the actual photo there's no waves, but then I like to put some movement on the painting because it's just like plain ocean on the background. So I decided, okay, let me add some wave, and I didn't anticipate that it's gonna be too big. Now it looks like a tsunami. Anyway, gotta go. I'm currently here in Alexandria Gardens in Melbourne, and you can see the trees at the back and not much people in here, which is good. And I'm gonna have a picnic. I don't know where I'm gonna go, but yeah, it's beautiful in here. We're gonna find our spot. I also visit St. Kilda Beach so I could find a inspiration in the ocean and look around or whatnot that I could add on the painting. Or I don't know, I want to do something with the painting, but I don't know what it is yet, so I'm trying to figure it out by coming here in St. Kilda. That's Melbourne, you all.
Not Melbourne.
Oh, look at that.
Can you stand there? I will take your video.
No, I'm afraid.
Yes, stay here.
If you're so afraid to start that art class or that painting, please do yourself a favor. Buy that canvas, buy that watercolor or any type of paint you want to use. Is it gonna be oil painting or acrylics? Please give yourself a favor and buy it and start painting again. I know it's not gonna be easy. You're gonna be terrified, and you're gonna doubt yourself. But then at the end of the day, it is you versus yourself. Years ago, I'm so afraid to start painting, but once you started it, it is very therapeutic. It's so much better than any kind of, you know what I mean? Like, mate, it's a medicine. I don't know how to explain it to you, but if you're lonely or sad or happy or ecstatic or you're brokenhearted, painting is the best antidote. It helps you heal. It helps you release all the pain that you have in your heart. But it's not the exact medicine, but it helps. So live your life, start that painting, get that brush, invest in yourself, get busy, do something that makes you happy. Alrighty, see you in the next one. Bye.